Why does losing money hurt more than winning it? A behavioral finance, neuroscience, and evolutionary psychology perspective. A question. Is the happiness you feel when you win $10,000 greater, or the pain you feel when you lose $10,000? Research is very clear. The pain of losing is stronger than the happiness of winning. This is not just an emotion. It is a biological and evolutionary mechanism. 1. Loss avoidance. This concept was developed by Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky with prospect theory. Key finding. People feel the same amount of loss approximately twice as intensely as gain. That is, plus $10,000 equals joy. $10,000 equals stronger stress. This is called loss avoidance. 2. Evolutionary reason, survival program. The human brain has evolved over thousands of years to this. Loss of resources equals risk to survival. For our ancestors, missing prey equals starvation. Losing food equals danger. Gain is extra comfort. But loss means threat. Therefore, the brain perceives loss as an emergency. 3. Neuroscience. How does the brain respond to loss? Research shows that when financial loss occurs, the amygdala is activated, threat center. Stress hormones increase. Physical pain centers may be triggered. Some brain imaging studies have shown that financial loss activates areas similar to those associated with physical pain. In other words, losing money hurts not metaphorically, but biologically. 4. Reference point and expectation breakdown. According to prospect theory, people evaluate not based on absolute gain/loss, but on a reference point. For example, going from $100,000 to $90,000 in your account. This is still a good situation compared to someone with no money. But your brain sees this. I lost $10,000. The pain intensifies when expectations are shattered. Gain exceeds expectations. Loss shatters expectations. Shattered expectations create emotional shock. 5. Identity and ego dimension. Money is not just money. Money. Proof of intelligence. Indicator of the right decision. Symbol of success. When a loss occurs, it's not just money that's gone. The question arises, did I do something wrong? This shakes the sense of identity. Therefore, loss is not only financial but also psychological. 6. Feeling of loss of control. Gain makes you feel, I did the right thing. Loss makes you feel, I'm not in control. The human brain dislikes uncertainty. The feeling of loss of control amplifies the pain of loss. 7. Social comparison. There's also a social dimension. Winnings are usually shared. Loss is hidden. But inside, this thought runs, are others winning? Did I make a mistake? This comparison amplifies the pain. The deep truth. Losing money hurts more because the brain codes loss as a threat. Evolutionarily, loss means risk. Identity is damaged. Expectations are shattered. The feeling of control decreases. Therefore, loss is felt twice as strongly. Investors' conclusion. If loss is felt more strongly, fewer transactions should be made. Risk should be clearly defined from the outset. Ego and money should be separated. Strategy should come before emotion. Because it's not about mathematics, it's about human psychology. Profit produces dopamine. Loss triggers an alarm system. And the alarm always gets louder.